If you have PCOS and smoothies usually leave you feeling hungry just an hour later, this breakfast smoothie is going to change that. Today, I'm sharing my favorite PCOS-friendly breakfast smoothie. It takes just 5 minutes to make, it's blood sugar friendly, and it keeps me feeling full for several hours without causing any cravings later in the day. I'm Alyssa, I'm a registered dietitian, and I also have PCOS myself. And if you never want to miss a PCOS-friendly recipe, make sure you hit that subscribe button. All right, let's get into that PCOS breakfast smoothie recipe. I'm starting with about 8 to 10 ounces of unsweetened almond milk. And I like to use almond milk just because I find that it's really light and refreshing. It's a good source of calcium and vitamin D. But if you have a nut allergy or if you just don't like almond milk, you can use any type of unsweetened milk here. Next are my protein sources. So I'm using a combination of unflavored collagen peptides and Greek yogurt in this smoothie. And protein is key for PCOS because it stabilizes blood sugars, it supports your lean muscle mass, and it also alters your hunger and fullness hormones. So when you have enough protein in your breakfast each morning, you actually stay full for longer, which is great for insulin resistance and keeping your blood sugar levels stable. Side note, if weight loss is part of your goals, this step is really important. If you're not sure which protein powder is best for PCOS, I have a full video breaking down everything that you need to know about protein powders for PCOS. Next, I'm going to be adding my fiber-rich carbohydrates. So I am using a combination of frozen blueberries and frozen raspberries. And berries are a great option for PCOS because they're packed with fiber and antioxidants, which are both two nutrients that help keep your blood sugar levels more stable, which means less cravings, and they have tons of antioxidants to help lower inflammation as well. Then I'm going to be adding some healthy fats. In this case, it's ground flax seeds. Now, these tiny seeds are really nutrition powerhouses when it comes to PCOS management because they have natural plant compounds that help to support our body's natural estrogen detox pathways, which help to keep the whole hormonal web really running smoothly. They're also a great source of healthy omega-3 fatty acids that help to lower inflammation and lower testosterone levels as well. And finally, I'm just going to add a little bit of vanilla extract to add a little bit more flavor dimension, but feel free to skip this step if you don't want it. Then we're just going to blend everything together until it's nice and smooth. Then we're just going to pour it into a glass or a to-go cup. And that is a balanced PCOS-friendly breakfast smoothie. Supporting your hormones really doesn't have to be that complicated. By starting your day with enough protein, fiber, and healthy fats, you can make a huge difference in terms of your blood sugar levels, your energy levels, and you can really squash those afternoon cravings. Make sure you save this recipe and try it this week, and then let me know in the comments what you think about it. If you want more PCOS-friendly meals and recipes, be sure to download my free 7-day PCOS meal plan. I will link it down below in the description. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next video.